Jatugo golf kendo jaloch piem mag Kenya Amateur Golf Championships Michael Karanja odhial kaka jatugo ma sulwe mar dwe mar 11 higani e mich mane ochiwne gi riwruok mar jofwambo weche tuke SJAC. Karanja norieny e dwe mar 11 e tuke mag Kenya Amateur Golf Championships mane obagi e lap ma Kiambu Open, loch mane omiye otiko mar yuore tuke mag Magical Kenya Open higa mar 2025. Jagoro maduong' mar riwruog SJAC Moses Wakisi nopuoyo jatugono kendo lero ni kaka riwruok gichiwore mar dhialo jotugo duto matimo maber e tuke ma pacho ka kaachiel kod pinje maoko.
Karanja has been an outstanding golfer. He won the Kenya Golf Amateur 2024, which has also earned him a title in the Kenya Open 2025. Over and above that, he defended Kenya. He took Kenya in the team for the Africa Regional Golf Tournament in Rwanda, which not only positioned him as an outstanding player, but as a leader.
I just want to take this opportunity to thank this noble initiative for thinking and coming up with this good idea of awarding our talent. We don't take it for granted. I've been playing golf since 2006, and by the grace of God, I was the Kenya Golfer #1 2023, and I've retained this title again and earned myself a ticket to Magical Kenya Open.
Looking back, I know it has been a fantastic one. Competition always very, very high and very, very stiff. And we say kudos to all the winners that have been able to get the prize this year. And we wish and we believe that the competition will be much greater, hopefully, come next year.